Yes. Good morning, children. Yesterday we have completed some vibrating bodies produce sound also. We have learned some of the things that how the sound is produced, and also as well as we have identified the different sounds, how they are going to be produced. Yes. And also how they are going to vibrate the body, and due to vibrating how they are going to produce sound. And we have learned some of the examples about, and we have done some activities also around how the vibrating body produces sounds. Yes, and shall I revise that once again? See, we have taken one of the activity, that is a bell run. When bell rang, that is one of the example, vibration of bell when it is producing a sound. Yes, in that we are going to observe a vibrating. Due to vibrating, a sound is produced. Yes. And also we have taken other activity about rubber band. Yes, yes, rubber band. And here this is one of the example of vibrating body. Vibrating. How the vibrating produce a sound. Yes, and we have taken another examples also. Blow air into the papers. Yes, when you blow air into the papers, how the vibration will be observed in the paper. When you touch the book, you can observe the vibrating on the book. So, due to that vibrating, we can listen a different type of sound. Okay? And also we have seen again when you strike the rim of the plate. Yes, when you beat at the corner of the plate with the empty plate, you have observed there also a vibrations around the trim of the plate. Yes, here also due to vibrating a sound is produced. That is also one of the examples for the vibrating body produces a sound. In the same way, here you observe again a table experiment. Yes, you have observed a table experiment, sound produced by a vibrating hacksaw blade. Here, when you with the help of a brick, you have taken the support of brick, and it is at the end of the hacksaw blade. When you touch it, it moves up and down. You can see the observations also. You can see the vibrations produced by the hacksaw blade, where that hacksaw blade gives a vibrating to the given brick with the support of brick. Okay, and also here the vibrations which is going to be vibrate continuously when it is going to be high pressure in the high up and down positions. So we can listen some of the vibrations in that. Yes, these are the examples how the vibrating body produces a sound. And also we have learned different musical instruments also. How the different musical instruments will produce a sound. Yes, like tabla, flute, and also guitar. How they are going to produce, and how each and every musical instruments having capacity to give a vibrating, and also how they are going to be produce a sound. Here everything we have learned due to the vibrating, every observation, every object will be give a sound. But in musical instruments also we have learned a vibration produces a sound, where a hollow air present inside the musical instrument, there the vibrations will be produced in the inside of the hollow of the musical instrument. So due to that, a vibration produced around the given object. So by that we can listen a sound. Okay, and these are the you can list some of the names of a musical instrument, and you can complete the table 3 Nana. How they are going to be produced with the membrane present in the hollow body, inside the hollow body, how they are going to give the vibrations. You can see also, and you can observe clearly on the given object. Okay, by that easily we can say that vibration body can produce a sound. Understood? Now let us see some producing sounds that resemble sounds of rainfall. Here it is one of the example how the resembles sound of rainfall. Sound of rainfall. Yes. Now the producing a sound that resembles sound of rainfall. Here till now we had learned that vibration body produces a sound. But here the resemble sounds of rainfall sound. How it is going to be here, Nana? See, there is also one example. Everyone started clapping with 4 finger, Nana. On left hand palm. See, take a left hand palm and start doing a 4 finger palm. Start from here and you just raise the next finger. You can listen the resemblance of rainfall sound. It is a rainfall sound. Okay. And here then ring finger and last small finger successfully and reverse the process gradually. So you can see the simultaneously a sound produced would be resembles that of a sound of rainfall. Okay. Here now observing the changes in sound. See, now we have how the producing of a sound that is resemblance of sound in rainfall we have learned. Now, due to vibrating and also identifying everything we have observed. Now, here some sound. We can see and we can hear the sounds of observing the changes in sound also. Yes, sir. See how we can observe the sounds. Observing the changes. Observing the changes in sound. Yes, sir. How we can observe the changes in sound? How we are going to be observe the changes in sound? Yes, sir. Take a 4 or 5 ml metal gas balls or tumblers of same size. Fill them with different amount of water. Arrange them in the order of decreasing water levels. Strike gently each bowl or tumbler with a spoon. Water here, this is a Jaladharam. See figure 8. Fill the bowls or tumblers with equal amount of water. Strike each bowl like in above case and listen to the sound. Here, take a 4 or 5. Take a 4 or 5 glasses, which is made up of metal. Okay, now fill the glass of water. Yes, in a decreasing manner. In a decreasing manner. Okay, in a decreasing manner. In a decreasing manner. When you pour a water into that and when you strike it, you can hear the different sounds. You can hear the different sounds. Because increase in the water and when it is decrease in the water of the glasses, you can observe the different glasses. See, when the bell is rang, see Nana, when you catch the top of the tip of the bell, when you see the tip of the bell, when you rang it, you will hear a loud sound. Yes, in the same way, when you close total the bell, you can hear a different sound. Means you are going to hear a less sound when you compare the first sound. Yes, in the same way, here also a full glass gives a different sound when you compare the decrease in the water. Yes, you can observe easily a sound changes in sound. Okay, here when you remove the total amount of water in the glasses, when you beat again, when you strike the glasses, see here also you can hear a changes in sound. Okay. Then what is the difference? Do you notice in the sound produced? Why is there variation in the sound produced due to change in water? Thus here we can conclude that sounds are produced by vibrating bodies. Here we can conclude that sound produced due to the vibrating bodies. And heat that passes through here offices of the instruments. Here what are the instruments you are going to use? Here the air passes to the inside of the glass. Due to that we can observe the changes in sound. Okay. Here. And also we have learned some important musical musicians about them like Bismillah Khan and also Chitti Babu. Here they are also one of the examples. Yes. Here. And sound produced by human beings. How the sound produced by human beings? Yes. How the sound produced by human beings. Sound produced by human beings. We know that all animals produce sound to communicate that with other animals. Human beings use these sounds more effectively. Sound produced in particular order and manner constitutes our speech. This order in production of sound is different for different languages or communication purpose. Yes, we have different communication purpose, and also here each and every animal, not only animal, they will be communicate with the different languages. Yes, in order to protect the sound with the different languages, with the different communication process. Yes or no? Then honeybee makes sounds on seeing flowers to communicate to other bees who are at a distance. Do they produce this peculiar sound through their mouth or some other organ used of the person? No. Here majority of communication in human beings is through speech. It is of speech. So which organ do you give the more ability to talk? See which organ is going to produce more ability of sound in our sound. Okay. So try this. Imitate different sounds made by animals. Try to mimic your friends. While making this sound, place your fingers to your throat. What do you feel? Do your fingers sense any vibrations? Are the vibrations same for all the sounds that you make? See Nana, when you are, see you do this a simple example. When you are talking, you just keep fingers on your throat. See, you can see some vibrations and you can touch the vibrations also, which is near to the throat. When you are talking, here you can see some vibrations. Yes, this is larynx, which is present in the human beings, which is going to produce sound. When how it is going to produce? Here there are other two types of larynx, which is the most human organ in our body. Yes, which produce sound. Yes, that is called larynx. Larynx is most important organ. Yes, it is most important organ which is present, which produce sound. Okay, and see here you can see the picture anatomy of the larynx. Here you can see the tongue, orpharynx and nasopharynx, and vocal cord, larynx, trachea, esophagus. Here these two larynx has two muscular ligaments called vocal cords. These are two vocal cords which are here. You can see the figure also. When these are stretched across voice box, it leads to narrow slit, Nana. So these allow the passage of air to produce sound. These will allow the sound to produce a sound inside the body. Then see how it is going to be. I'll show on the board. See. Here it is like this, and here like this, and these are the two vocal cords. These are the two vocal cords. Where this produce a sound. Here, due to this, observe these figures, sir. This is first figure 1 and also figure 2. Nana, you can observe easily a changes in this. In these vocal cords open during a breathing to allow air into the lungs. So, vocal cords close when we speak. The air from the lungs presses between them to cause vibrations and produce sound. Here, it is open. This is one of the vocal cord. This is one of the vocal cord. Here, these two vocal cord will be produces a sound and gives a sound out to in the presence of air. See how it is going. Here it is open. Here it is completely closed. Why? Here it is open. Here it is completely closed. Why? Because when Vocal cord, it is open during breathing. When you breathe, it is opened. So to allow some air into the lungs. When air allow into the lungs, it presses some of the air. By the air, the lungs presses. Due to that, it will be closed. The vocal cord will be closed. So the sound comes in the form of vibrations. Okay? Did you understand how they are going to be sound produced in the human beings? When you touch here also, you can see easily vibrations also. And if you make some persons to stand beside your backside also, if a spinal cord also, you can hear a clear sound which is produced by you. Yes, and also you can see, observe the some vibrations also. Understand? See, how much length of vocal cord in men? It is nearly, in men it is nearly, in men it is nearly 20 mm, and in women it is about less, or 5 mm. About women it is 5 mm less. Here, whereas in children it is shorter, we can say that the length of the vocal cord plays any role in deciding the quality of sound produced by women and children. These are the main role in all human beings. Okay, main role in the all the human beings, because these vocal cords play a main role which gives a sound produced by the vibrations. Okay, did you understand? These are the multiple choices. If they may ask, you can note that. It is an important one. Every line should be underlined. Now, in activity 7, observing the movements of vocal cords during speech. During the speech, ask a friend to raise his neck up, stretch a chocolate wrapper across his mouth and ask him to blow hair on the wrapper forcefully. Observe the changes in movement that is throat up. Ask him to blow again slowly and observe the difference in movements. What changes do you observe? See, during the first trial, the voice box gets tensed and produce high sound, while during the second trial, it is close to normal position, so the throat does produce the lower sound. The sound produced in the above activity is due to the combination of vibrations produced in the wrapper and the vocal cord. If the sound is a kind of vibration, how does this vibration reach us from the source? How are we able to hear the sounds produced at a distance? Yes? Here, when your friend is asked to raise his neck, when he is blowing a hair into the balloon or a wrapper, a chocolate paper, you can observe a closing and opening a vocal cords near his neck. And when you touch there also, you can hear a vibrations and you can see some vibrations also there. So, why it is happening? Why it is happening? Due to slowly observe. So when he was blowing again slowly, and when he is inhaling a breath inside to the air inside is going to be pressed inside the air is pressed inside the lungs now. So during first trial, the voice box gets tensed. The voice box gets tensed. So and produces high sound. So while during the next second trial, it is for the normal position. So the throat and produces a lower sound. So the sound produced in the above activities due to the combination of vibration produced in the wrapper and the valve. So by this experiment we can say that due to the first and the second experiment means blowing air into the wrapper chocolate wrapper. So we can observe due to some changes in the vibrations. So due to that vibration changes, the sound will be higher in the first trial and the lower in the second trial. Okay. Propagation of sound. Propagation of sound. Yes, sir. Sound needs a medium to propagate. The sound produced by school bell will be heard by all of us irrespective of whether we are in the room opposite to the bell or in a room at the back of the bell. Obviously, the sound produced by the school bell travels in all directions and reaches us, propagating to the air present between source of the sound and our ears, that is the air surrounding us, acts Yes, sir. See, due to the medium, sound needs a medium to propagate. Yes, sir. How the sound is going to be propagate in all direction? Yes, due to the air, due to the medium, that everything. Due to the, see, we have taken some of the questions during the topic of the first. So, in that, I told that we can learn how the it is going to be travel from one place to another. Yes, we have already, I told that very clearly we will be going to learn about how the medium is going to pass through all the directions. Due to the medium, here if it is close, reactions can be seen to our rounds, the sounds, and also when it is open area, the sound is passed through all the directions. Means it propagates. So it propagates through a medium. The sound propagates through a medium into the to all the directions. Okay. Yes, sir. Here, can we talk without moving our clips? Yes. Here, these are the some of the mimicry. Who was Gautam Srinivas and Nerela Venumado. He was a mimicry artist, maintained a very good control over their voices, Nana. So, he was their exercise with the vocal parts to keep their audience to their voice only. So, he got a Padma Shri award in 2001 also in Warangal district of Telangana state. Okay, as a medium which allows the sound to pass through it. So, how the propagation of sounds in different media also will be learning. Okay, here